This is thoracic spine foam rolling. Pretty easy to figure out how to get on a foam roller and get some pops and cracks out of your back. Let's try to figure out how to be a little more specific though. First rule, nothing below the belly button on the back side, obviously. Most people have too much extension, most people. And we're gonna go all the way up to kind of that hump on the top of your back or above your shoulder blades. First thing we wanna do is kind of protect the neck. If I'm stiff through my mid-spine and I just crane, that's not really moving through my thoracic spine. So I like to cradle the head and just keep the chin neutral. From there, start at the bottom. Actually, I want you to keep your hips on the ground and actively extend over the foam roller. This is pretty tough, so when you get to a point where it's uncomfortable, try to breathe into this position, and this is tough by itself, and maybe we do a couple extensions in one spot. We move all the way up through the T-spine, doing the same thing as we go, like I said, all the way to the base of the neck. Then we can get back in here and roll up and down, maybe get some of those cavitations, roll a little off to the side and try to create a little bit of lateral flexion, and that is thoracic spine foam rolling.